Hey, what's up everybody? Got another one for you today. It's going to be a 16 RS3 manual transmission running 93 octane fuel, and it has the Roush TVS 2300 supercharger on it. I'm a little jealous today because I used to have a 16 just like this. Mine is white with a matte black stripe. This is black on black on black. I love it. Hey, I'm Brent from Brent Speed. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify to watch cool dyno videos just like this. We're going to watch the RS3 lay down over 600 roll horsepower with simply the Phase 2 upgrade package. So stick around and check it out. All right, Doug's back with me today. We are going to go down in a second and take a look at the engine compartment before we watch the dyno video, but you gotta love the Roush RS3. So again, it's a 2016. I love the front fascia on this car, but it's running the Roush TVS 2300 supercharger. We did install a set of stainless power long tube headers as well, oil pump gears, cooling mods. We got the rear cylinder and a cooling kit on this, cooler thermostat. Doug, come down, take a look. It's the Roush TVS 2300. It is intercooled, so a lot of you may be new to this channel. This is an intercooled supercharger, but it's a really sweet setup. You can get it in the Phase 1 kit that they rate that like flywheel, I think like 670, but honestly just step up to the Phase 2 kit. It's rated flywheel 727. So it's the Roush TVS 2300, long tube headers, supporting mods, rear cylinder head cooling kit, cooler thermostat, as well as a bill of oil pump gears. And that's a sweet recipe for over 600 roll horsepower on 93 octane pump gas with a very basic setup. If you wonder, hey, what's it cost to get something like this installed? Just email quote@brentspeed.com. And don't forget, in the description, I'll put links to all the parts I just talked about. But right now, check out this dyno pool. Something I didn't mention is this is an RS3, okay? They're factory supercharged, but a lot of you might have a normal GT and want the same exact supercharger. You can do that. Or if you have a normal GT with the Phase 1 kit, you can easily upgrade to the Phase 2. And like I said, click that description. You can see how we can ship that right to your door. You can come in for an install, but DynoJet, SAE, Doug, check it out. 638 roll horsepower, let off at 6,900 RPM. Torque comes in stellar 524, peaking at 4,600 RPM, and we're over 500 torque by 3,500 RPM. We're actually over 500 torque at 3,000 RPM. So it's an awesome setup. Doug, let's take one more look at this. So super clean RS3, black on black on black. I love it. Like I said, it makes me a little jealous because I had sold a couple years ago my white 2016. I really like this black, and you can't even see it, but it does have a matte black stripe on the side. So hey, I'm Brent from Brent Speed. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We're happy to answer. That's pretty much it for today. Again, check that description, read a lot more about it, and email quote@brentspeed.com and say, hey, what's it cost to build my vehicle? We can get you taken care of. Thanks for watching.